Hello, for the building weight of the International Express parcel. Some customers often complain that the dimension of the parcel is different between the factory and the logistic warehouse. So, today, let's go to find the reasons.
There are two boxes here. The standard size is the same, but because of the packing, one of the boxes is relatively high, so the measurement data is different. We can measure the size comparison between two boxes using specialized equipment. These are the measurements for box 1. These are the measurements for box 2. It's evident that the measurements for box 2 are larger than those of box 1. The International Express cost depends on the gross weight or volumetric weight of the package, length multiplied by width multiplied by height and divided by 5,000. In another case, some boxes are soft because of the quality. After the logistics transportation, the extrusion and deformation lead to the bulge area of the box, and the size data will become larger, increasing the freight cost, or generating special shape surcharge, which increases the transportation cost finally. In this case, we will report to the customer to reinforce the package or repacking the package.
To solve this kind of problem, we recommend you to use good packing materials. With a little higher material cost, but you can save more logistic costs. If the packing used is soft and the package is crisp during the domestic transportation, the volume data will become larger. We will take photos and confirm with you, changing the packing with your consent to help you save the freight costs and ensure the safety of the goods in transportation. We hope this video can give you a help. At the same time, we also have UPS channel for large package shipment. You can choose this kind of channel to save your logistic costs. Thank you.